So you guys know I've been traveling a ton recently, and I just found this thing that is making it even more fun to travel. It's Audible. You guys probably know what Audible already is, but if you don't, I'm gonna give you a quick little rundown. It's an Amazon company that lets you listen to audiobooks. It's awesome. Who doesn't want to listen to an audiobook? You can do it while you're driving, commuting, studying, traveling, doing chores, and tons of other times. They have so many books. I had no idea. In fact, I've been listening to Eyes of the Dragon. It's a Stephen King book. Not a lot of people have heard of it, but Audible totally has it. But here it is. You guys want to see it?
He admitted to 70 years, but was surely older than that.
So, fantastic, fantastic, awesome. And look, all three of mine. They even have my books. The Haunting of Sunshine Girl, The Awakening of Sunshine Girl, and The Sacrifice of Sunshine Girl, which are all read by me. I've teamed up with Audible, and they're offering everyone, all of you guys watching this video, 30 days free. So you could listen to tons of books in 30 days. Just go to audible.com/haunted. All you have to do is sign up for a free trial, pick a book, download it, and it's free. It's that easy. All the information about all this stuff is in the description below. Hey, I'll even link to the Stephen King book I'm talking about, Eyes of the Dragon, and also all three of my books. Audible has an unmatched selection of audiobooks, news and comedy, original shows, and more. I only wish I'd found this sooner, like on the 30-day book tour. So go start your 30-day free trial.